It's a little known fact that you can scale the entire model or just a group or component within the model using the tape measure. To demonstrate this, I'm showing you this modular unit that I designed some time ago for a kind of green prefab architecture. I'll use the tape measure by pressing T. Notice that there's a plus symbol next to the cursor. By default, the tape measure is set to create guides in SketchUp 7, and this is generally a good thing. Normally, if I don't need the guide, I'm going to press Option to toggle out of that mode. And now the tape measure will merely give us a length value down here in the Measurements toolbar. I'll click 2 points to make a measurement, and I'll do that here along this length. It says it's about 20 feet. Let's change that to 25 feet, and press Return. We're prompted whether we want to resize the model. I'll say yes, and everything got bigger. Now, everything got bigger, including the man, and that's not really what I intended. Let me go ahead and measure this person's height, generally from his foot to the top of his head, and he's over 7'8" high. That's too tall. I'd like to shrink him back to about 6 feet high. I'll double-click to open up that component for editing. Then I'll use the tape measure, press Option to toggle out of guide mode, make another measurement, and then change the value in the Measurements toolbar to 6 feet. We're prompted whether we want to resize this group or component. I'll say yes, and he gets that much smaller.